President of Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur Eevfam, Renu Takhelambam has expressed concern over the restive violent situation in Manipur as further escalation of the conflict could result to more fragmentation of separation in families. Renu Takhelambam was speaking on the sidelines of 15th Foundation Day of Eevfam, which was held on the theme Stop Militarization and Ethnic Polarization in Manipur at Loktak Hall of Manipur Press Club today. Speaking further, Renu Takhelambam said Manipur has seen violence and bloodshed for decades due to UFSFA. The ongoing violent conflict has created new challenges in the state, as centre could forcefully use its military might against the youths in the state who have been compelled to pick up arms during this violent conflict. Government must take up measures to prevent such things from happening in the state. Advisor of AMKIL, Anandi Khangembam, Associate Professor of Political Science Department, DMU, Dr. Noni Arambam, Assistant Professor of Political Science, Nambol Sanoi College, Ningombam Shrima, Assistant Professor of Law, Manipur University, Dr. Sapam Dilip, along with other eminent persons, attended the program.
From high organization as you, Ipu Kaina Kraba, Amadi, Mama Sing, Matas, and Kaina Krab organization, sing a sina, Hagi, Saina, I think, yeah, Chukimatic Apoida, the sanction as a third and a laglava, militarized or a report as a Apoina, they think to see Apoida Pangonina, Tim Manipur, as they totally before the Tangu Leta, the Vogipudo, Amatu was there. So when Hanava, Amuhana Peg encounter, case Lakadra, Amuhana Manipuda, military operations, Amuhana is a Tabatara, Gadi, put the Kulai by the Baku in a Harold Hoguli, the singer say, Amuhana Manipura, quick encounter, Tolakadra, Miwot Mina, Hamipu Yama, said Tolakadra Hibagi, Apoida, Mi Paiba, Akiba Dulaze. Aduna Masi, Langak, Atuba Matamda, Russian Minaraga, Apoy Manipura, Lady Lukhabi sing as a Masing Hangat Han Bidanaba, Amadi Masa Kainaraba, Mama singing Ning Bakairaba Tamosin, say, Amukang Miami sentiments, Kangiraga, Manipura peace Puranaba, Langak Amadi Centerna, Masi Atuba the Punkang local view, have a sequin up in 2000.